Okay, we are going to be learning now about multiples. And as with our last excuse me, slide, we have our I can statement of I can find the least common multiple. So in this case, opposite of factors, we want the least or the smallest shared multiple, okay, or same. We want to put it that way. A multiple is when we skip count by a number. And the least common multiple strategy that we do is to make the big M. And I make the big M because multiple starts with M. And it's just an easy way to help us remember what we're doing, factors or multiples. So when we make the big M, we put the two multiples that we're going to be, or the two numbers we're going to be working with on the outsides of the M. So today we're going to work with a 4 and we're going to work with a 3. And these are going to be the numbers that we are going to find multiples of. And when we find multiples, we skip count by that number. So when we skip count by 4, we start with 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And we always go to the multiple of 5 first, because we might not have to go farther, but we want to make sure that we might have to go farther after we do our other side. So we always start with a kind of a rule of 5, so 5 multiples, and then we see kind of gauge where we are. So over here we're going to list the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So that would be 5 multiples of 3. So now we're going to look first and see if we have any common or same multiples. So when you're looking at your list, are there any multiples that they have in common? I see 12 on this side, and I see 12 on this side. Are there any more? Nope, you're correct. There are not. So, what is the smallest number they have in common? It would be a 12. And we put that in the middle of our M, and we circle it with a big circle so that we know that this is called our LCM, or least common multiple. Let's try another one. Let's make our big M. And let's do 6 and 8. Okay, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And then we'll come over to 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Now so far, do we have any numbers in common? You're right. I see a 24 here, and I see a 24 here. Are there any numbers smaller that are in common? Nope. So this is our LCM, or our least common multiple.